Welcome to the best picks. The best soldering torches is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your arsenal, especially if you're into metalworking, jewelry making, or even just tackling DIY projects around the house. These torches provide the intense heat needed to melt solder and join materials, making them indispensable for a wide range of applications. From plumbing to electronics, the right soldering torch can make all the difference in achieving clean, strong, and reliable connections. Number 5. LEXIVON LX771 Butane Torch Kit. This LEXIVON butane torch kit is perfect for a wide range of projects. It's a versatile tool for everything from wood burning to wire soldering. Get ready to bring your ideas to life. You're in control with the adjustable flame. It can reach temperatures up to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, the included base stand allows for hands-free operation, making your work easier. This torch is made with a durable, metal refillable fuel tank. It's designed to last longer than those with plastic tubes. It's also pre-tested for leaks and ignition. The large tank provides up to 2 hours of use on a single fill. When it's time to refuel, it only takes about 15 seconds. This allows you to stay focused on the task at hand. Your safety is a priority. The torch features an ignition stopper, meeting child-resistant standards. Please note that butane is not included with the kit. What we like. This torch offers an adjustable flame, allowing you to precisely control the heat for various projects. It also features hands-free operation with an attachable base, perfect for detailed work. If you're looking for a versatile torch with extended run time, this is a great choice. What people say. I found this butane soldering torch to be well designed and constructed with an aluminum tank and a body that appears to be good quality glass-filled plastic. The tank fills easily, the torch ignites reliably, and the flame adjustment is very smooth and precise. This gets the job done and is relatively cheap. Number 4. inZaynity Dual Flame Butane Torch Gun. This dual flame torch gun offers high output and adjustable flames. It's perfect for cooking, soldering, or any creative project you have in mind. This kitchen torch features an ignition lock for up to 30 minutes of continuous flame. It's a great tool for bartenders, chefs, and artists. Made with sturdy Kirksite and zinc alloy, this torch is built for heavy-duty use. Its compact design makes it easy to store. Available in 5 sophisticated colors, this torch has a sleek design. It comes in a deluxe gift box, making it a beautiful present. Simplify your life with this powerful tool. It's designed to help you handle your daily tasks with ease. What we like. With its dual flame design, this torch provides a unique visual appeal and enhanced performance. The ignition lock allows for extended use, making it ideal for tasks requiring a consistent flame. If you're an artist or chef seeking a stylish and functional torch, this one is for you. What people say. Works great. Easy to refill and looks good too. The flame is very big and works in any outdoor environment, wind, or rain. This torch feels great in the hand, it is very versatile with a soft and hard flame. The torch lights every time and burns clean. Number 3. RAVS Copper Butane Torch Lighter. This kitchen torch is lightweight with a comfortable handle, offering a good grip and ease of use. The piezo design allows for immediate ignition. The detachable copper base allows it to stand firmly on the table. Made of copper, this torch offers fast heat dissipation and high temperature resistance. It provides safety and durability. The long-angled nozzle keeps your hand safely away from the flame. This butane torch allows for one-handed operation. The flame is adjustable, so you can set the size as needed. It's refillable with butane, but remember to turn it off before refilling. This handheld torch is a versatile tool for gourmet cooking, arts and crafts, and more. It's great for baking, home improvement, and outdoor applications. If you have any concerns, this welding torch comes with a 1-year technical support. Note that butane isn't included for safety reasons, so fill it before the first use. Make sure to choose the correct butane tank and read the instructions. What we like. This torch is made of copper material, ensuring fast heat dissipation and durability. It's designed for easy one-handed operation, making it user-friendly. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile torch for various applications, consider this one. What people say. The flame is adjustable for size and intensity, and the unit fits your hand well. I am very impressed with the build quality and operation of this torch. The adjustable flame is just what I needed both in operation and in ease of use. I can quickly light the torch, push button start, and adjust it from a pinpoint to a broad flame as the needs arise. Number 2. Dremel 2200-2001 Versa Flame Multifunction Butane Torch. This compact butane microtorch is designed to make your work easier. It's perfect for various tasks around the house and on the job site. Starting is easy with the integrated ignition trigger. You don't need any extra tools to get it going. The included accessory kit makes it incredibly versatile. It comes with everything you need for soldering, heat blowing, and more. It offers variable temperature control for both torch and flame operation. This feature makes it ideal for wood burning, leather crafting, and other detailed work. The flame lock switch simplifies operation, especially for extended projects. It allows for hands-free use and consistent performance. Built for long-lasting durability, this tool is made with premium quality materials. It's designed to withstand the rigors of various projects. The attachable base allows for hands-free and cordless operation. This feature provides added convenience and flexibility. What we like. This torch features an integrated ignition trigger for easy startup, eliminating the need for separate tools. It comes with versatile accessories, expanding its range of applications. If you like the convenience of a multifunctional tool with precise flame control, consider this one. What people say. Works great and has a nice case that looks like a giant Sucret's Altoids tin container. Typical Dremel quality. I use this thing for everything, from heat sealing shrink tubes to starting smoker tubes on the grill. Easy to refill. Design is almost perfect. I like the stand foot that it came with. The flame is easy to control. I use it for soldering silver jewelry. Number 1. Berkling BSG 568 3-in-1 Cordless Soldering Iron. This versatile tool effortlessly switches between a soldering iron, heat gun, and mini torch. It's perfect for various tasks, from soldering wires to crafting jewelry. It's the only tool you'll need. Unleash yourself from power outlets with this portable butane soldering iron. It refills in just 20 seconds and offers up to 90 minutes of use. For the best performance, use premium butane fuel. Start your projects immediately with the self-ignition feature. No more waiting or fumbling, it ignites in seconds. This is ideal for tasks requiring precision, like heat shrink tubing and jewelry making. Take control with the adjustable flame slider. Fine-tune the heat output for unmatched precision. This allows for flawless results, whether you're soldering or heat shrinking. Experience unmatched convenience with this lightweight, travel-friendly tool. It fits easily into your toolbox, perfect for fieldwork and on-the-go repairs. Take it anywhere with ease. The package includes the soldering iron, 2 conical tips, and a mini wrench. Additional soldering options are available separately. Get everything you need to get started. What we like. This versatile tool seamlessly transitions between a soldering iron, heat gun, and mini torch. It features self-ignition for quick starts and an adjustable flame for precision. If you need a portable, multifunctional tool for various tasks, this is the one. What people say. One-handed operation. Slide the switch, click to ignite and you're off. Very easy to operate with one hand and it fires on the first click every single time. Ergonomics. Holding the device like a pen or pencil makes much more sense and feels much more natural in my hand, resulting in better solder joints and better overall experience. Heat dissipation. With the Berkling you are able to purposefully aim the exhaust temperatures in a direction that makes the most sense, away from anything that might get burned. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.